The Finance module is designed to help users efficiently store, maintain, and manage their business's financial information, from individual transactions to aggregated financial reporting. This module facilitates seamless creation and flow of data across financial documents, improved efficiency, and enhanced reporting and management of companies' finances. The module allows users to create work quotations. Users can manage quote statuses and set up workflows to follow up, ensuring no sales are lost. Quotes can be created in businesses' own branding and templated formats and can be easily downloaded as PDFs. Users can convert quotes into invoices with just a click. The invoices record line items with respective amounts. Flexibility is provided to duly record the tax amounts. Users can manage the invoice status. Again, the invoice can be created in the business's template, ensuring professionalism and accuracy. Users can keep a comprehensive record of payments against invoices, providing all necessary information in a single interface. This makes it easy to track the status and history of each invoice. Just like invoices, bills from suppliers and contractors can also be managed along with tax and payment records. Beyond transactional details, the Finance module offers aggregate financial views, helping users understand the overall financial position through automated reports. Access the Finance module from the sidebar. For a deeper dive, refer to the user guide and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool.